Hey, we're back. Today we're going to discuss the Pond Care Master Test Kit. What is it? How important for you to have this one if you are a koi hobbyist? Where can you get it, and how much would this be? And is it important? And what's the use for this one? So we're going to discuss that in this video, and I hope this would be useful if you are a koi hobbyist or you're planning on having a pond. So join me again. Pond Master Test Kit is a complete set for testing tap water and your pond water. This kit is a way to monitor your pond water from dangerous water conditions such as low pH or maybe high pH, if you have high ammonia, your nitrates, and your phosphates. So the kit itself includes 4 test tubes, a holding tray, instruction book, also an improved color cards for easier result reading, so which is really nice. I really like it. It is also include 2 bottles of ammonia test solution, 1 bottle of pH test solution, 1 high pH test solution, and 2 nitrite and 1 nitrate bottle. So the color chart will tell you the readings of your pond test results. The ideal water pond reading for pH is 5.0 to 9. The ammonia should be 0 ppm and the nitrite should be 0 to 5 ppm, and phosphate would be 0 to 4 ppm. The booklet itself contains very important informations. It tells us on why do we test, say, the pH, our ammonia, our nitrite, and nitrate. And it also gives us the tips, testing tips, and directions on how to use our solutions. It also contains the proper measure on what to use. Let's say we have ammonia in our pond. It shows the proper chemicals or solution that you need to buy to use if you have ammonia in your water. So let's go ahead and test my pond water. My pond water is very green. I have algae problem, so I will be showing you a different separate video on what I use to treat the algae problem. So the test tube has a line, we just have to follow it, and the direction again in the booklet is very clear and simple to follow. So I'm going to test the ammonia level of my pond. We have 2 bottle solution for this, bottle 1 and bottle 2. We add 8 drops of the solution first, bottle 1, and then followed by bottle 2, also 8 drops on those. And after you mix those 2 solutions, you just have to shake the tube a couple times, and then we wait 5 minutes to get our final result. And let's go ahead and test my pH as well. So same thing, you get the water from the pond and just follow that line in the tube. Then we have 2 bottles of solution for pH, but I'm just going to use the pH test solution. I'm not using the high range one. So 3 drops for this one, and then we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and shake the pH solution. And we also need to wait 5 minutes to get the right result. We can compare it to our color chart on what we have in our pond, if our water quality is good or not. And if not, we need to do something and add solution to get the proper range number for the water quality. So here's our color chart. There are ranges of numbers in there that you follow and compare your water solution, your test tubes. So ammonia needs to be 0, which is what we have now. So that's my solution, which is good, 0 ppm for ammonia. And then our pH, the good range would be about 6 to 9. So I have about 7. So to sum up to those questions that we did earlier, the test kit is very important if you are a koi hobbyist. Per my experience, this is a must to monitor your water quality and prevent invisible water problems that can be harmful to our fish. Again, this is a must product. I highly recommend you guys to have this in hand to monitor your water quality, especially if your fish is showing a problem. This will really help you and save your fish lives, and you can act accordingly and quickly if you know what's going on. There are other products out there that can test some of these issues, but I don't recommend it. I test multiple test kits and water quality kit, and so far the Pond Master Kit is the only one that's really good to have and very useful. So where can you get this Pond Care Master Kit product? You can get it in any most of the pet supply stores, and also in Amazon. There's a Prime in there. You can get it in 2 days. It's very affordable. It's about $23 to $25. So have this in hand if you are a koi hobbyist. This could save our pets' lives and less stress for us as a keeper. Again, I can't stress it enough how important this test kit for our pets. This is very important to have as a keeper and to make our pets happy. So thank you so much for joining me again today's video, and hopefully I can see you and you support my future videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, JJ Burton, and we'll see you again next time. Have a blessed day. Goodbye all.